Surprise. She's practicing parking and speed bumps.
Oh, that was really bad.
Okay, we're facing this way in a parking spot.
Whatever, Dad. Like, they hit it too fast, or anything, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be like that parallel parker guy one of these days, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna be like that guy, like, I can go 6,000 feet, but I can go like...
Well,
I can go like 60 miles
a little
an
crooked.
hour. I can go 60 miles an hour and skid and do a parallel park.
There you go. You got a lot of practice, Ed.
Well, come on. I've only had like 2 hours of driving experience. Give me a little break.
All that
here.
time on Need for Speed. You should be a pro.
That time on Need for Speed don't count. You're using a freaking joystick, dude.
Got 12-year-olds stealing cars and escaping the cops from playing Need for Speed.
You know, I probably could do something like that, but you know, I'm not stupid like that. But that's really bad parking too.
Yeah, your parking's going
this guy in the
downhill.
red shirt's looking at me like I'm a retard. So what's this guy doing, man? Driver's school or something.
So slow down into your turns. Stop! Ooh, it's better. At least it was straight.
Was it?
A little bit over to the side, but you're parallel with the lines. You could be a little to my side would be better.
But I'm in the lines,
yeah.
you know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
at least it's... Oh, no, I wouldn't have smacked the car. Not yet. Oh, a little too much.
Don't try parking next to any of these cars. Don't want them run over.
No, this car won't run him over. I'm gonna make it down, but it won't run him over. Now you know Mom's car. Whew, that would be awesome. I can't wait till one of these days when I wreck with the RCV, you know what I mean?